I'm not about to make a long video like everybody else, but this is what this is. That's CLR. Somebody at Home Depot told me about it. You see, multiple use. It gets everything. So I end up putting hot water in there. I let my carbonator stay up in there for about an hour. Then, because at first, the only way to get this started was spraying starter fluid inside the spark plug. But then it will only stay on for literally like 10 seconds. So once I cleaned out the carburetor, or let it soak in the carburetor, let the carburetor soak inside that CLR. Then I put some of this in the gas tank with fresh brand new gas, and then it fired right up. It ain't been on in months. I'm talking about 8, 9, 10 months. I'm surprised, it's still doing its thing. So I already did an oil change, new spark plug, new air, some more air in the tires. But just to prove to you that it works, push this button 5 times. Make sure the choke is on. Yeah, like I said, it ain't been on in a very long time, so I'm happy that I finally brought it back to life.